Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working in your smart TV. Directly unplug your smart TV cable, wait for a few minutes and then plug and then try to connect the Wi-Fi. If this doesn't work, the second method is if you are using any VPN service, then disable it. If this doesn't work, next powerful method is go to your settings and here go to device preferences and here go to date and time. Your TV date and time must be correct as per your country and region. So check the correct date and time. If the date and time is wrong, then here go to automatic date and time and here do it off and here set date and set time. Okay. If this not work, the fourth method is go to the settings and here network and internet and here click on your Wi-Fi and here forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi. If this not work, the fifth method is restart your Wi-Fi router. So I have shared 4 or 5 methods, so let me know in comments which method are helpful for you. So thanks for watching guys, see you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.